Hey guys, welcome back. So this video is not going to be technical analysis. It's going to be, I just want to share this with you guys. I just had this thought and I wanted to share it here on YouTube. What I'm going to say now, it doesn't apply for the crypto market specifically. It applies for any market. When there's more demand than supply, prices go up for any market. When demand exceeds supply, prices have to move up. And then when the prices move up significantly, well, then people sees the prices moving up and they start to buy more and more and more aggressive because they want to make money in a market that's booming. So this causes the prices to go up even more, even faster and even bigger. And this causes bubbles, right? This happens in any market. When there's more demand than supply, prices go up. When prices go up, people get excited and they buy even more, and then we go into a bubble, and then we reach a top when no one is willing to pay those prices anymore, and then the bubble collapses. That happens in any market. So the catalyst for crypto, for this to happen in every bubble, was the halving. Because the supply cuts in half, but the demand, it's either the same or it's still growing. Because the demand is the same or grows and the supply decreases by half, then obviously prices have to go up significantly. And when they go up significantly, people see this, gets excited, and starts to throw more money into the market, and this causes bubbles. So the catalyst for past the bubbles in crypto was the halving for BTC. BTC had 80-90% of market share. But now, as of today, the crypto markets as a whole, it's grown so much that more than 50% of the market will not have a halving. So, for example, if we combine BTC and BCH together, I think they will have the halving at the same time. I know there's other Bitcoins like Bitcoin Gold, Diamond, and others. I don't know exactly if they changed the supply or if they changed, the way they're going to be having the halving. I don't know exactly because I don't do research in those. But even if we account only for BTC and BCH combined, if we combine them both together, it will still probably not be even 50% of the total market cap if we combine the rest of the coins together, against BTC and BCH. So how can the halving have that much of an impact on the market when it's only going to happen in these two, and the rest of the market is not going to have a halving, or other coins have halvings as well? Probably, as I said, I don't do that much of a fundamental research in most, but even if they do have halvings, it's not going to be at the same time. So how this BTC halving can have an impact on the markets anymore if the total market cap, it's not even half? And I know many of these, 1,600 coins, I know many of them will die and disappear during this depression phase of the market that we are going through right now. Most of them need to go down to zero and die. So, but the excess of money that was in these other coins that will die, this excess of money will be split among all the survivors. So, I mean, not all of the money, maybe some money will just go out of the market, but I'm talking a little bit in general, right? The excess of money will still be split in, among the survivors. It's not going to be, I don't think this is going to bring the BTC market cap up to 80 or 90% anymore. If anything, I think it will continue to go down because we have now these new technologies. Like Ethereum was the first of its kind, but then, after Ethereum, now we have EOS, we have Cardano, we have whatever, Neo. All these other ones, this is a new technology we didn't have before in previous bubbles. Before, it was only cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin being the first of its kind, and then all the others that came after, like Litecoin, you name it, all the other ones. Before, it was only cryptocurrencies, coins that are meant to be used as money, right, as currencies. But Now we have this new technology that Ethereum brought into the market, and now we have all these other projects that are like Ethereum. These ones are going to continue to grow. Of course, not all of them will survive, but I think these are the ones that are going to be growing in the near future more than cryptocurrencies. So what I mean is, because of this reason, I think BTC market share will continue to go down in the, in the short, medium term, at least. So if the market share continues to go down, or even if it just stays here, it's less than 50%. So how is the halving is going to have any more of an impact in the market from now on, if it doesn't even account for 50% of the total market share? What I mean is, we all are expecting the next bubble. Well, I shouldn't say we all, but some people are expecting the next bubble to happen in the next halving, and I was of this idea as well. I had this idea until today, actually, when I started to think about this today, and that's why I wanted to share this on YouTube. Maybe not. Maybe the next bubble will come at any other point in time, maybe before the halving, maybe after the halving, maybe whenever, but I don't think the halving is going to be a catalyst for the crypto market to go into bubbles anymore. Basically, that's my point for this video, and I wanted to ask you guys what you think about this. I would love to know your opinion. And so yeah, I'll leave it here, leave it on the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.